Shopify POS Lite. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that helps businesses set up and run their online stores. It offers users a wide range of features and tools to manage their store, including a point of sale system. The Shopify Point of Sale system comes in two versions, Lite and Pro. In this video, we'll take a look at the key differences between the two versions and help you decide which one is right for your business. The difference between the two versions of Shopify's point of sale system is in the number of features and tools available. The Lite version is a stripped-down version of the Pro POS system with fewer features and tools. It's designed for small businesses that don't need all the bells and whistles offered by the Pro version. Click the link below for a demonstration of the differences. Here's a quick overview of the key differences between Shopify Point of Sale Lite and Pro. POS Pro offers smart inventory management capabilities, while Lite does not. With POS Pro, you can track your inventory levels, reorder products, and create purchase orders directly from the Point of Sale app. This is a crucial feature for businesses that sell products in physical stores, as it helps them keep track of their stock levels and ensure they never run out of products to sell. POS Lite does not offer unlimited point of sale stations, while POS Pro does. With Point of Sale Lite, you will be able to assign employee roles and permissions, which can be important for security and tracking down poor performance. This can be inconvenient and may incur additional costs for your store in the long run. With POS Pro, you will enjoy a vast array of in-store analytics, telling you what is working best among your products. Shopify's point of sale system is an invaluable tool for businesses of all sizes. It offers users a wide range of features and tools to manage their store efficiently. If you're looking for a stripped-down version of the Shopify POS system with fewer features and tools, then Shopify Point of Sale Lite is likely the right choice for your business. However, if you need inventory management capabilities, analytical insight, and unlimited registers and users, then you'll need to opt for Shopify POS Pro. Click the link below to speak to one of our experts on what is the best fit.